Now, the adoption of cutting-edge technology and advanced infrastructure to support digital trade is key to enhancing borderless trade in Africa and improving revenue collection. Speaking at the official opening of the Kenya Revenue Authority Summit, Prime Cabinet Secretary, that is Musalia Mudavadi, highlighted that through stakeholder collaboration, tax administrations can embrace tech-driven solutions to facilitate intra-Africa trade.
Africa trades more with international partners than with fellow African countries, with intra-Africa trade standing at just 13% compared to 66.9% with the European Union and 63.8% with Asia.
It is embarrassing that the level of trade between African countries is minuscule compared to what we do with the rest of the world. We must correct some of these things.
Impediments such as insufficient digital infrastructure, tariff and non-tariff restrictions, regional conflicts, overlapping mandates and corruption continue to hinder full implementation of the African Continental Free Trade Area.
We must now go a notch higher, become more facilitative, move away from being obstructionists, so that we can now really benefit from technology and also allow us to develop trade amongst each other.
We'll reach a point where we can have seamless movement of even individuals, people, without restrictions, and having all the paperwork and clearance that needs to be done ahead. So by the time you reach the border, you just cross over. Needs a lot of collaboration across countries, across agencies.
Innovative financing and stronger domestic revenue collection are crucial to closing Africa's $23 billion trade infrastructure gap.
It is only through innovation that we can enhance efficiency and effectiveness in our revenue efforts.
With 165 borders and 261 ports, Africa requires smart, interconnected corridors, automated customs systems, and real-time digitized trade documentation to enable seamless cross-border trade.
KRA is exploring technologies like the Internet of Things, IoT, big data, artificial intelligence, AI, and blockchain, all poised to enhance customs' role in the international trade.
We are developing the single bond transit guarantee system. It can only be made possible through a platform, a technology platform. We are working on having a continental e-certificate of origin. It can only be made possible through a technology platform. We have digitized some of our trading operational instruments.
Experts project these solutions could increase intra-Africa trade by 25% by 2030.
Africa has the largest free trade agreement in the world in population and also in terms of the number of countries. But the implementation of the African Free Continental Free Trade Area has been slow. Hence, the calls for a structured trade corridors that work, as well as sharing of information in real time to improve intra-Africa trade. Weri Mujenga for Prime Edition.